No one is coming to save you. Read that again. No one is coming. Not your friends, not your family, not some miracle, no one. And see, sooner you accept this truth, the stronger you become. Because right now you are waiting for the right time, waiting for support, waiting for someone to understand you. But what if that never happens? What if no one ever shows up? Will you still keep waiting? Or will you finally stand up and save yourself? Because that's the only option you have. You see, the world doesn't care about your situation. It doesn't care how many times you failed, and it cares about is what to do next. You can cry about your problems, or you can fix them, you can blame others, or you can take control, but you can't do both, and that's where most people fail. They keep complaining, but they don't change. They keep dreaming, but they don't act. They want success, but they fear the process, and you know what happens then? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. Years pass, opportunities disappear, and they are still stuck in the same place. Don't be the person, don't waste your life waiting for help, because help is not coming. You have to become your own hero. You have to fight your own battles. You have to push yourself when no one else touch. And yes, it's hard, it's lonely, it's painful, but that's what makes it powerful. Because when you build yourself in silence, when you suffer alone, when you keep going without support, you become different, you become dangerous. You're dangerous to others, but to your old life. The weak version of you, the lazy version of you, the version that kept making excuse. That version starts dying, and a new version is born, a stronger version, a fearless version, a version that doesn't wait, a version that takes action every single day. Even when it hurts, even when it's uncomfortable, even when nothing is working, because that's the difference between winners and losers. Winners don't wait for motivation, they create discipline. This shows up every day, no matter how they feel, and that's what you need to do. Stop waiting, start moving, even if it's small steps, even if it's slow. Just don't stop, because progress is progress, and one day those steps will turn into something big, but only if you keep going. Remember this, no one is coming to fix your life, no one is coming to fill your future, no one is coming to fight your battle. It's all on you, and that's not a bad thing. It's your power, because what everything depends on you. You stop making excuses, you stop blaming, you stop waiting, you start acting, and that's when everything changes. So from today, make a decision, a real decision, that no matter what happens, you will not quit, you will not stop, you will not wait, you will move forward alone if you have to. In pain, it you must, but you will move, because that's the only way out. Not talking, not complaining, not dreaming, but doing. Relentless action, day after day, night after night, until you become the person you once dreamed of. And when that day comes, when you finally make it, you won't need anyone to save you, because you saved yourself, and that is the most powerful feeling in the world.